What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to get the Boddle Bucks in your Boddle player accounts. Watch this video step by step to get the Boddle Bucks free, okay? To get the free Boddle Bucks. It's very easy. You need just a phone or any device. I use my iPhone right now, but you can use any device. And you need enter on Safari per step, and here you need enter on www, okay, www that go box that online. Just copy this www that go box that online. Okay, I enter on the website and Boddle Bucks events. Choose how much box do you want, and you need enter your player code here. Now I want to enter my accounts. You need enter on here, and here is the player code. As you can see, I enter my code here right now. Wait a second. I enter my code. Okay, okay, I press generate, and generating is running down. Close or refresh the page. I'm waiting right now to loading this. Okay, and okay, as you can see, it's loading, and you can check the website. How does this event work? For complete of partner survey, granted one-time Boddle Box. Recent activity. As you can see, this player is desktop, Android, iOS, Android. I'll be recommend to use your phone because it's working very good. Remember, this should be safe to use. You don't have problem with ban, and you never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. What you choose will operating in your account as soon as purchasing is completed, and voting, these tools work for you. And now it's almost down here. And guys, please like this video, subscribe, and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, just leave a comment, okay? As you can see, the Boddle Box event, it's almost down. Okay, this is my player, it's connected. Transfer to user. Okay, it's almost down. And you must finish it. To prove robot abuse of generator, you are required to complete human verification by clicking the button below. Just verify. And here, unlock access to the premium content. 0 phone offers completed. Only if you do right now, you need to complete one of these offers, but don't scare, it's very easy. For example, I select the first, and I need to follow this instruction. As you can see, I need to receive level 15 in this game, some maximum 2 days. But I playing the games right now, and I'll be receive the level to get my Boddle Box. You can complete any on the list. Now I don't make this video so long. Probably I need 10 minutes to receive level 15 in these games, but I'll back with the proof in 10 minutes. Okay guys, stay here and I'll back with the proof. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see here, I have one offers completed. I complete these offers, these travel time offers, but I don't. Okay guys, you just waiting a few seconds to update. Okay, I complete these travel time offers. As you can see, I have one offers completed, and here my Boddle Box is increased in my accounts. As you can see, it's very easy. Just follow this video step by step, guys, and you can get the Boddle Box for free, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.